the ocean's getting a bit of a bad rap right now for, you know, being unhealthy and everything, but we've just passed an amazing scene of some sort of whale feeding on a big pot of fish and heaps of birds around. So it's, you know, it's pretty spectacular. It's something that you don't get to see every day, and it's nice to know that there is a bit of healthiness and the wildlife are, you know, are doing well in the oceans.
That was pretty cool to see a whale feeding like that, and just trying to work with, I think all the food groups are there. There seemed to be tuna and I don't know what else, but it was pretty full on. I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, it's one of those really nice moments when you're reminded how lucky we are to be out here and out in nature and enjoying it, and yeah, these are the things you only really see when you're out here in the middle of the ocean. I guess it's a nice reminder as well of how important it is that we're spreading our message of sustainability and you know, keeping the oceans clean and preserving nature, and yeah, hopefully if we can do that as well, then maybe when my kids are my age, then you know, they can see the same thing, and we're not dealing with a situation where there's just more plastic in the ocean than there are fish.